You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. InMobi Platform Review, a comprehensive look at usage and experience. Find helpful links to InMobi resources in the description below. InMobi stands as a prominent player in the mobile advertising and marketing landscape, catering specifically to businesses seeking to connect with their target audience through mobile-first, AI-driven ad solutions. As one of the largest independent ad networks, InMobi carves a niche for itself in in-app advertising, presenting a robust alternative to the dominant ecosystems of Google and Facebook. It's a particularly attractive option for brands, app developers, and performance marketers striving to engage mobile audiences on a large scale. For advertisers, InMobi offers cutting-edge targeting capabilities fueled by AI and machine learning. This advanced technology allows for campaign optimization based on critical factors such as user behavior, location, device type, and demographics. Its diverse range of ad formats includes video ads, rich media, native ads, and playable ads, all meticulously designed to maximize user engagement. The platform also embraces programmatic advertising through the InMobi exchange, simplifying the process for brands to acquire high-quality mobile inventory via real-time bidding. Furthermore, InMobi's dynamic creative optimization (DCO) ensures that ads are personalized to individual user preferences, ultimately driving higher conversion rates. App developers and publishers can leverage InMobi's comprehensive monetization solutions, which seamlessly integrate with existing apps to deliver high-yield ads without compromising the user experience. The platform provides a variety of ad units, including rewarded video, interstitials, and banner ads, empowering developers to maximize revenue while maintaining high user engagement. With a global reach encompassing billions of devices, InMobi connects publishers with premium demand from leading advertisers worldwide. A key differentiator for InMobi is its unwavering focus on mobile-first, AI-powered ad delivery, which translates into enhanced performance and user engagement. Their marketing cloud also provides data-driven insights, enabling advertisers to gain a deeper understanding of user journeys and optimize ad spend effectively. The platform proves particularly effective for brands operating in the gaming, e-commerce, fintech, and entertainment sectors, offering granular audience segmentation and real-time performance tracking. In summary, InMobi presents an excellent solution for advertisers looking to scale their mobile campaigns and for publishers seeking to maximize app monetization. Its AI-driven targeting, premium inventory, and programmatic capabilities position it as a powerful alternative to mainstream ad networks. If you're interested in exploring InMobi for your advertising needs, be sure to check out the links provided in the description.